Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use CVS OTC benefits. Order online with Wellcare step by step clearly. First, confirm that your Wellcare plan includes a CVS OTC benefit and note your benefit period and available balance. Find your Wellcare OTC member ID card or OTC benefit card and keep it next to you. Make sure you have a stable internet connection on your phone or computer. Open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. Go to the official Wellcare OTC or CVS OTC ordering website shown on your plan materials. Click Sign in if you already have an account. If you are new, click Register or Create Account to start setup. Enter your member information exactly as it appears on your Wellcare records. Create a username and a strong password you can remember. Add your email and phone number so you can receive order updates. Complete any verification step like a code sent by email or text. After logging in, locate the section for OTC benefits or Shop OTC. Check your displayed OTC balance to avoid ordering more than allowed. Browse categories such as pain relief, allergy, first aid, dental, or vitamins. Use the search bar if you already know the item name or brand. Open an item page to confirm size, quantity, and eligibility for OTC coverage. Click Add to Cart for each eligible product you want. Review your cart and confirm every item is marked as OTC eligible. Adjust quantities carefully so the total stays within your available balance. If you see a remaining balance, you can continue shopping or save it for later if your plan allows. Proceed to checkout when your cart is ready. Select or enter your shipping address and double-check for apartment numbers and zip code. Choose a shipping option if the site provides more than one. Confirm your order total and make sure your OTC balance is applied before placing the order. If a payment method is requested, verify whether it is only needed for non-eligible items or shipping upgrades. Read the final confirmation screen and check the estimated delivery date. Place the order and save the order number or take a screenshot for your records. Track your shipment in your account and contact Wellcare or CVS support if anything looks incorrect. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.